Okay, today we're here at Knott's Mary Farm, and I went to the Gourmet Churro Factory and got their Red Velvet Churro stuffed with cream cheese filling and topped with a peppermint bark. So it is supposed to be stuffed. It's not warm at all though, so I don't have too high of hopes with this, but let me try it out. It is red on the inside. It's a little bit hard on the end. It's a little hard, a little chewy, but it doesn't taste as stale because I think maybe the Red Velvet batter is doesn't taste as stale. So this one's only $8, so I think it's probably worth it. Don't think they make as many in advance because you know, not everybody knows it's there. So it is just slightly warm, not totally cold, but it still tastes better than some of the warm churros, the regular churros. So let's see. I'm gonna actually give it. Well, cameraman says B. I think I'll give it an A-. It still tastes okay. And then please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the notification bell and click on all so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So I'm going to take another bite. I'll see you in the next one.